For a sign of Capricorn, all that I need to know about your person moving forward. So let's see what's coming up for you guys first. Welcome back to the channel. What's coming up for Capricorn for the next couple of weeks. I hope you guys are doing well. So let's see, Capricorn, all that I need to know. Okay, currently with Four of Pentacles, you guys are holding back. I see you possibly not wanting to open up to your person. In the past, you could have, and it could have not really turned out the way you wanted it to. Okay, top card with Seven of Pentacles. It is not like you have given up. It is just that you're wanting to hold back. Okay, one more card. What's happening in your life currently? Capricorn, soulmate, okay. Right now with Queen of Pentacles, it is not like you do not love the person or you do not want the person, but this time you are choosing to spend, like possibly love yourself more than you love your person. So this time you're choosing yourself, loving yourself, possibly wanting to stand by yourself, not wanting to give in, not wanting to beg, not wanting to chase. Okay, like none of that is going to happen. Okay, one more card for what is happening in sign of Capricorn. With Three of Pentacles, right now you're focusing mainly on your work life. Okay, some of you could be dealing with a person who is from your workspace. Okay, it doesn't have to be for all, but for now, I believe you guys are just wanting to stay focused on your work life. Okay, just wanting to stay busy. That is about it. In terms of your finances, what do you see coming up? In terms of your finances, what do we see coming up? In terms of finances, I do not see your life going very well. Ace of Pentacles is in the reverse. So the necessary amount of money that you're supposed to receive, or the bonus and all that is not coming in. Okay, you feel underpaid, or you feel like you are not getting what you truly deserve. Okay, there is this delays in payments as well for some of you, for all those who are into business and stuff. Okay, in terms of your soulmate, what are they up to? In terms of your soulmate, how are they up to, or what are they up to? Capricorn soulmate for the next couple of weeks. What are they up to? I mean, this person with Seven of Wands has been keeping you at a distance, maintaining the distance, okay, not really giving in. I believe for some of you, this person lives at a distance or possibly maintains distance from you. Okay, with the Tower card, there was a small breakup, a shake-up that happened to the two of you, and since then, this person has been acting distant. Okay, one more card for how they're thinking about you now. How are they possibly thinking about you now? With Hanged Man, this person is watching you but making no move towards you. Okay, what do they have in mind? What do they have in mind regarding Capricorn? With the Three of Swords in the reverse, if there has been a breakup, they possibly want to heal the connection. If they have said something that has hurt you, they're possibly wanting to like apologize for that. Okay, with Three of Wands, they're definitely looking forward to you, but at the same time, they are maintaining distance. So for some of you, communication might come, they might say sorry and stuff, but they won't willingly make the move towards you. Okay, so one card for what can you expect from this person overall? What can you possibly expect from this person? I believe that your person for now is going to maintain distance. Okay, but they are definitely going to come forward. But for now, I see them maintaining distance. Okay, in terms of how are they thinking about you, in terms of how are they thinking about you now, Capricorn, for the next couple of weeks. Yeah, with Seven of Pentacles, I definitely see them possibly wanting to hold back, possibly wanting to take more time before making a move towards it. It is not like they are giving up. It is just that they are wanting to come towards you at the right time, and they feel like this is not the right time. Okay, with Six of Cups in the past, I mean, they could have tried to reconnect. I do not know how that went. However, in terms of their energy towards you, we have Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. So very strongly, I feel like they do not see this being the right time to approach you. Okay, what's the major blockage? What's really stopping them? What is really stopping them is the High Priestess in the reverse. They are not ready to completely speak the truth or completely share what's happening with their life. Okay, they are wanting to keep certain secrets, and they're not ready to reveal everything that you're wanting to know. Okay, one more card for their current feelings towards you. They are very fearful that you'd. I mean, they tell you more than you're wanting to know. and that is going to possibly make you go away. Okay, I do not know. They are hiding certain secrets for sure. Okay. In terms of their feelings, however, we see Five of Swords in the reverse. To be very honest, okay, I feel this person has used you plenty of times. Five of Swords in terms of feelings is a card where someone is holding on for the benefits. Okay, this might be the Capricorn doing it. This might go complete vice versa for some of you. So take it however it resonates. But with Five of Swords, I definitely feel like this person in the past could have all been about their ego, their pride. Oh, see, like someone is chasing me. Oh, see, someone is so much in love with me. Very childish, like with their approach and thinking. And they could have also said plenty of things to possibly feed their ego. Okay, very prideful individual, very childish individual, someone who plays a lot of mind games. Okay, at the same time, someone who could have taken, like possibly was holding on to the relationship for the wrong reasons. Okay, but currently, how do they feel? Currently, how do they feel? Like, what are their true feelings for you? Yeah, darling, to be very honest, with Four of Cups, they know that they are going to lose an opportunity if they do not possibly reach out. But at the same time, I still feel that this person is making you feel left out in the cold or rejected. Currently they are not accepting your offer, even if you have given your offer to them or you've been very serious about wanting commitment and stuff. This person is not wanting to accept it. They feel this is not the right time. Okay, top card we have is Nine of Wands. They are not prepared for it. So what are they wanting to offer you currently? What are they ready for? Currently, what are they ready for? I believe they are wanting this connection to stay in, possibly, like friends only for now. Okay, for now, if this is a work situation for many of you, I believe this is a work situation. You guys know each other through work. They are wanting to keep it very intellectual, very practical. Okay, they are not wanting to possibly like dive into their emotions. They are not ready for an emotional relationship. Okay, one more card for how do they view you now? How do they possibly view you now? They feel like you're wanting answers. They feel like you're very upset with them, and they know that you're waiting for answers. You might have also approached them and possibly given them an ultimatum, because I see you being upset, and they know you're upset. To be honest, okay. One more card for how do they view you as a partner? How do they view you as a partner? As a partner with Knight of Cups, they know that you have feelings for them, and they have feelings for you as well, but they are not ready for you. Okay, I still see this person having a very negative approach to this connection, not being very positive about it. In terms of partnership, they are not ready for it. Okay, I'll be very straightforward to you. Their message to you is, I can only offer you sexually. I fear commitment. That is one thing I'm getting, like like intuition wise. You are always on my mind, so yes, you are on their mind. Okay, I fear you don't need me anymore. They also fear that you'd walk away. In the past, they could have said something like, let's do something romantic, which was majorly about sex. Okay, so for many of you, this could have been a sexual relationship. If it's not that, it could have been a very practical relationship where emotions were not attached much. Okay, in terms of what outcome they want with you currently, like currently they just want you to possibly stay open to them. Like they do not know what they want from you. Okay, they possibly want to have more time for themselves to make a choice. Okay, with Two of Wands, if they have choices, like say suppose they have another person and they are wanting more time. I know that's extremely wrong and very like hurtful to be a part of something that is not going anyway. But yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so in terms of their intention, what, or like what are their major intentions towards you? What are their major intentions towards Capricorn, please? In terms of the intentions, they are wanting to possibly not show any sort of emotions towards you. They are wanting to be very practical, very detached. I see them being extremely detached, like not really saying shit, sharing shit. Like extremely cold towards you. Okay, very harsh as well at times. Okay, King of Swords is not a very romantic energy. In terms of love relationships, I mean, this person can be a practical partner, but not a romantic partner. And sometimes they are very boring. Okay. In terms of that, I still feel like intention wise, they are not wanting to give in much. In the past as well, they were not giving in much. Okay. So, what action are they wanting to take towards you now? What action are they possibly wanting to take towards you now? In terms of action, however, I still, if this is a business partnership, if okay, I still see them wanting to hold on to the business partnership. Okay, if it's not a business partnership, they just wanting to like be very casual about it. At this time, they're wanting to stay focused on themselves. In terms of action, they're very focused on their own life currently. Okay, with Five of Cups, I still do not see them completely giving in emotionally. In terms of action, Five of Cups is a no action card where someone is just focused on the past and not wanting to possibly stay in the present. Okay, what can you expect from this person now? What can you possibly expect from this person now? With Emperor card, I still see them behaving very controlling, very much someone who seems unbothered about where this is going. Okay, they might like pretend to not give a fuck about it. Okay. Top card we have Ace of Wands, but however, in terms of sexual relationship, they might be open. For emotional relationship, this person isn't open. Okay, I'm getting a very straightforward reading that this person isn't ready for an emotional harmonious relationship. Okay, one card for where this is going for now. Where this is going for now. You guys are gonna stay at crossroads, darling. I do not know if you should stay open to this person, because right now I see this person giving you nothing, to be honest. Okay, so far this was your reading for Sign of Capricorn. Very honest, almost personal reading. If it resonated, please be kind enough to hit the like button. It greatly helps my channel to grow. Okay, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All those who wish to get a personal reading done from me, then you could possibly visit my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.